How to turn off Snapchat location. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn off your Snapchat location. So the first thing you want to do is open your Snapchat app. Now, once you've opened your Snapchat app, on the bottom side of the screen you can see 5 different options. Tap on the first one, which is your location. And now as you can see, it will currently show me on my map. So in order to turn this off, what you have to do is tap on the gear icon on the top right corner of your screen and now enable ghost mode and then select until turned off. Now this is one way on how you can hide your location from everyone else on Snapchat. But if you really want to turn off or disable location on Snapchat, go to your settings. Now scroll down and then go to apps. Now locate Snapchat. After that, go to permissions and then go to location. Now simply tap on don't allow and now you have completely turned off location from your Snapchat. So that is basically how you turn off Snapchat location. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.